Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're talking about something I'm super excited about: pure, unadulterated coding power. This is it. This is your complete power-up guide to mastering the Claude Code command line tool. We're going to take you from just a user to an absolute power user. So let me ask you straight up, are you ready to unlock your coding superpower? Because that's exactly what this explainer is all about. We're going to turn you into a coding force of nature. So here's our roadmap to mastery. Think of it like a skill tree you're about to unlock. First, we'll customize your setup, then expand your arsenal. After that, we master the core combos, optimize for speed, automate your world, and finally, we hit what I like to call God tier. Let's do this. Okay, let's dive right in. First up, we're customizing your loadout. This is all about forging the absolute perfect environment so you and Claude can work together seamlessly. Here are the essentials, your foundational power-ups. First, A, create clad.md files. Use these for your commands, your style guides, and general project etiquette. Next up, B, tune those clad.md files. You want to refine them just like you would any good prompt, using the hash symbol to add your content. Then C, curate Claude's allowed tools. You can use always allow, the /permissions command, or even command line flags to control exactly what it can and can't do. And finally, D, if you're on GitHub, and you probably are, you have to install the GCLI. It's a total game changer, unlocking a ton of new capabilities. All right, with our setup forged, it's time to expand that arsenal. We are about to add some seriously powerful weapons to your developer inventory. This is where it gets really interesting. This is all about making Claude truly yours. So, A, you can use Claude with your own bash tools. Teach it your custom scripts, your personal utilities. It'll learn them. Then there's B, use Claude with MCP. That's the multi-tool Claude proxy. Think of it as a secure bridge to external servers, giving Claude some serious advanced tool access. And C, create your own custom /commands. You can build up a whole library of prompt templates right in your project's command folder. So cool. Okay, now for the really fun stuff. This is where we learn the core combos. You know, the special moves that let you just demolish pretty much any coding challenge that dares to stand in your way. First up, the all-purpose combo: explore, plan, code, commit. Step 1 is explore and research. Get Claude to read files, look at images, or check out URLs. Step 2 is to plan the attack. Use the think or even think hard command for a super detailed plan. Step 3, implement the code. Just tell Claude to execute that plan. And step 4, commit and document. Let Claude handle creating the pull request and updating all the docs. Beautiful. Next, a personal favorite for building rock-solid, reliable code: test-driven development. Step 1, you write the tests first. Step 2, you run them to make sure they fail. That's what you want. Step 3, you commit those failing tests. Step 4, now you write the actual code to make those tests pass. And finally, step 5, commit the passing code. It's just so clean and effective. And this brings us to a massively important point. This is the secret sauce, right here. Claude performs best when it has a clear target to iterate against. It doesn't matter if that's a test case, a visual mockup, whatever. Give it a clear goal, and you will get amazing results. And the combos just keep on rolling. C, you can write code, take a screenshot of the result, and iterate against that visual mock. D, there's a safe YOLO mode. You use the -dangerously skip permissions flag inside a secure container. It's incredibly fast, but for real, only use it in a sandboxed environment you trust. E, use it for code-based Q&A. It's like having an expert guide to help you learn a new project. F, let it interact with Git, handling your history and commit messages. G, let it interact with GitHub, doing PRs, fixing comments, you name it. And H, it can even help you work with Jupyter notebooks for data exploration. The list goes on. Okay, you've got the moves down. Now let's boost your stats for peak performance. This is all about the fine-tuning that separates the pros from the amateurs. Now look at this. This is so important. A poor, vague prompt is like, add tests for foo.py. But a good prompt is, write a new test case for foo.py covering the edge case where the user is logged out. Avoid mocks. The difference in the quality of code you get back is just night and day. Which brings me to this. If you take away only one thing, let it be this. Specificity is speed. Say it with me. Specificity is speed. So let's build on that with some essential habits. B. Give Claude images, paste them, drag and drop them, whatever. C. Mention files using tab completion. It's so fast. D. Give it URLs to read. E. Course correct it early and often with the escape key or undo. F. Use /clear between tasks to keep the context window clean. G. Use checklist and markdown files as a scratch pad. And H. Pass data in any way you can. Copy paste, piping, you name it. Feed the model. All right, time to level up again. Let's unlock your automation abilities with headless mode. This is how you take Claude's brain and plug it directly into your automated infrastructure, like CI/CD pipelines. So how do you do it? It's easy. You just use the P flag with a prompt. Perfect for non-interactive stuff. And the use cases are incredible. Use case 1, issue triage. Have it automatically inspect and label your new GitHub issues. Use case 2, an advanced linter. It can find all those subjective things that other linters miss, like tiny typos or stale comments in your code. We've made it. We have arrived at the final level. It's time to achieve God-tier mastery. And we do that by up-leveling with multi-Claude. Yeah, you heard me. Running multiple Claudes in parallel. Let's go. These are truly the techniques of the masters. A, you can set up a coder versus verifier workflow. One Claude writes the code, another one reviews it. Insane. B, use multiple checkouts of your repo to work on different things at once. C, or even better, use Git work trees as a lightweight alternative for parallel tasks. And D, you can build a headless harness to automate huge migrations or complex pipelines. This is truly next-level agentic coding. But hang on. We've climbed all 6 levels. We've gone from setup all the way to God tier. You'd think that's it, right? Nope, there is one final secret. A hidden ultimate power-up that guarantees you stay on the cutting edge. That's right. The ultimate technique, the final secret to unlocking your full potential is to subscribe to The Explainer. Seriously, hitting that subscribe button is your key to getting more of these power-up guides, staying on top of the absolute latest tools, and keeping your skills razor sharp. It's the best thing you can do for your dev career. Don't miss out. So there you have it. You now have the complete playbook. You've got the tools, the workflows, the secret techniques, everything. So the only question left, the most important one of all, is this. What will you build?